I should say good afternoon, everyone. Here's Ford Mustang 98 guy. Today, I'm happy to bring you this 2004 Mazda RX-8. And today I'm going to give you a full and in-depth review on the RX-8. We'll start the engine, we'll show it off, we'll go some of the performance details, and also we'll show you a bunch of the features on the inside and the outside of the car. Zoom, zoom. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up and let it run. Typical Mazda key, key fob. It's a black exterior with two-tone black and a little bit of just a two-tone leather interior right here. Oh, it's tight. It's gonna be a little tight in here because can't put the seat back anyways, but it's a 6-speed manual transmission. This car's a little bit tight to get into. Key fell in. Oh, hold on, the key just fell in there. Okay. Clutch. There's a neutral. $92,000 kilometers. And it fires right up. Three-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel. It's got hydraulic power steering. Aluminum pedals down there. It's a 6-speed manual. And for reverse, push down all the way over and down is reverse. Like that. So, it's a neutral. Cut on the lights, fog lights, hazards. And we'll check out the exterior. Oh, it's tight. Standard Goodyear tires wrapped around alloy wheels. And we'll pop the gas cap. And down there you have your dual exhaust.
Yeah, she sounds noisy. Alright, let's pop the hood. Wait. Right there.
It's got the 1.3 liter Renesas rotary engine. Four-cylinder, right? So it's just the Renesas. Oh, it's rotary. So it's a Renesas rotary engine. It's a 1.3 liter. Very quiet under here. When you go to the back, you can actually hear it more. It's quiet under here. Nice and quiet. It's a different type of engine. Alright, let's close the hood. Over here you have your power windows here, power mirrors, power door locks, the storage, full power seats, and manual tilting steering wheel. Alright, now let's go ahead. Fucking piece of crap. Put the wheel up. The wheel's already up, but the person who owns this car, he likes it at the C position. So anyway, let's see how she revs. Give her a couple revs, I guess. Sounds nice. Sounds good. Alright, let's check out the interior. Move it down a little bit, it's hot outside. You have your climate control right here. Fan speed. Your temperature. Your different modes. It shows up there too, but you won't be able to see that. You'll be able to see it. You have your different modes right here. Your front defrost, rear defrost, air conditioning, recirculation, it's all there. And your fan speed right here. It's got the factory AM/FM radio with CD player, but you can't really see it because it's a little bit sunny outside. There's 6 preset stations. Your heated seats for the driver and passenger. Cup holders. Storage back there. It's a 6-speed, like I said. You have your ashtray with a cigarette lighter, your handbrake, automatic dimming rearview mirror. Your vanity light. Alright, so it'll be a little tight here. You have your interior lights right there. Sunglasses, sunglass storage. You have your power, your sunroof. Everything works in this car good. Not bad. Cruise control, radio controls on the steering wheel. You mute. Headlights, fog lights, and turn signals. Wipers. You have low speed, And there's high speed. Over here, you have your temperature, gas gauge, your tachometer, digital speedometer right there. And you have your oil gauge right there. And your trip computer would be right here. Very hydraulics, power steering. Little storage there. Nothing much to see in this car, really. Not bad. Alright, I think that's pretty much about it in the interior. So, I gotta squeeze out of here. I gotta squeeze out of this car. Holy fuck. Alright, let's check out the back seat. Yeah, let's check out the back seat now. Move the window down a little bit. Oh, this door won't close. Just a little bit of stuff on that side. I sat back here before. Storage. That's for the front. Cup holders. You have your interior light right there. Let's do the trunk. It's just one piece. Oh well. No, and you want to open this window, it's very easy, like that. Get some ventilation in there. It's very simple back here. Alright, let's pop the trunk. Up. I wonder what that is, probably a spare tire. Yeah, I can hear it. It's pretty loud. Spoiler. I have to shut it off. I'll show you how to turn the car off after. She sounds mean. I'll show you this side real quick. I'm not going to sit in it. It's the same thing on this side. It's the same. A little bit of storage there. Full manual passenger seat. Woo! Don't be going racing today. Oh, it's a glove box. Came with the owner's manual too. Say 2004, like I said. Comes with all the books. Ocean handles. It's tight in here. Need this window down. Now, I'm gonna show you guys how to shut it off. Okay. Now shut the car off. I'll show you guys how to shut the car off. So you rev it up to 4,000 RPM. Like that. Just like that. Hope you guys enjoyed a full in-depth review on this 2004 Mazda RX-8. Stay tuned for my next video. We'll see you next time. Take care, everyone.